Paul Buchheit, the creator of Gmail, said artificial intelligence, AI, will replace search engines such as Google in 2 years. My prediction is that AI, not necessarily ChatGPT, will replace search maybe within the next 2 years. Current AI not yet good enough, Buchheit tweeted on February 1. Paul Buchheit's prediction will impact his former employer. Google is already reacting to the threat with plans to release 20 new AI-related products to improve search this year, according to reports. In his original comments from early December, Buchheit stated, "Google may be only a year or two away from total disruption. AI will eliminate the search engine result page, which is where they make most of their money," he wrote on Twitter. In 2021, Google reported revenues rose 41% to $258 billion from a year ago, its biggest to date. Ads made up 81% of total revenues that year.